Hello everybody, my name is Niraj Bhandari, currently studying Master of Technology, majoring in Software Engineering from Federation University, MIT campus. I am on my last semester and we were given a project to build a software program to handle engineering process as a part of our master project. Our group is Group 5 and Group 5 with team member Jaspreet Singh, Isan Garg, Pradeep Gale, and me myself. Our client is Mr. Mudassir Ahmed, and he wanted us to come up with ideas for our project at the beginning of our project, and we each team member presented two of the ideas that cover two of the ideas related to our project topic. And finally our client approved us to work on a school system that should include the functionality for multiple users. Then we started to work on a project and submitted project storyboard on week 2, where we analyze different aspects of our project, and mainly we focus on the scope of our system. Similarly, on week 4 we submitted our project roadmap, and where we covered different user stories that we are going to develop in our project. In addition, we submitted the project scheduling tool, where we break down the project into different works to be done, and we define the milestones and develop a Gantt chart of our project. We use Agile Scrum methodology in our project, as my role was project owner. So I defined the user story of our project, prioritize them, and execute the project to meet the goal. From sprint, we started to work on a different section as per our skill set. Isan and Jaspreet, who are the enterprise students, are working on the documentation, and Pradeep was working on database design, testing, and front-end design, while I was working on complete system development. In sprint 1, I was building admin module with functionality. I was building an admin module with functionality of student registration, staff registration, parent registration, editing their details and deleting their details, adding class section so that student can be enrolled on different class or section, developing event module so that admin can create different events that are going to take place in a school, such as exam event or sport event or any of the event that are going to take place in the school. Like an admin can add I have developed a subject different module for subject, where admin can add the subjects that the school is offering. And sprint 1 is our shortest sprint, which was about 2 weeks, and sprint 2 and 3 were of 3 weeks. And in sprint 2, I have been working on building attendance module, so that admin can take attendance of the staff, as well as teacher can take attendance of the student. Similarly, I have developed a functionality of timetable, from where admin can generate the timetables for both teacher and students. Like he put subjects, timings, class detail, from where teacher can view his time schedule and student can view his routine. In addition, I have developed a teacher module, from where teacher can log into the system. They can upload materials like story materials, generally in PDF format, on the class, and the teacher can add important questions or assignment, or in the class they can view events and timetable, and definitely they can apply for the leave from the system. Likewise, our last sprint was sprint 3, I have developed student and library module on Sprint 3. In student module, the functionality I have developed include viewing uploaded study materials from teacher. In Sprint 2, I have developed the teacher module where teacher can upload the study materials in different classes. In Sprint 3, the classes, according to the classes student, they can view the uploaded materials by teachers, and they can download the materials uploaded by teacher. They can view questions, they can view assignment that they need to perform, and student can like view events as well. They can see their attendance history, the days they were present and the days they were absent. They can see the results of their exam, like teacher in Sprint 2 teacher, there was a functionality where teacher enters the marks and grade of a student to the system, and now in Sprint 3 I have developed the module for student where student can view the result of their exam. They can view the marks and their grade. Apart from that, I have in Sprint 3 I have worked on the library module and developed the functionality for library where librarian can log into the system. After logging to the system, he can add, update, delete the books in the library. Similarly, he or she can add the details of the borrower by entering borrower's name, library ID, date of issue, and so on. Once the borrower returns the book, the librarian can clear his details from the borrower database. And now, after the library module, every users were able to, I have to develop a functionality from where every users can see the book available in the library. They can view the book, they can search the book, whatever they want, to see if that book is available in library or not. That was all about the development portion that I was engaged and in the developing of this system. In summary, I can say that in this project I have worked on more than 75% of development and designing section. I have contributed 10 to 15% in documentation. I have created a demo video, and I have worked on developing user stories and mostly project roadmap and project user story. As a project owner or project manager, I have arranged client meeting, and we have created WhatsApp group to continuously communicate between team members and our client. I have done the project management by dividing the project into different smaller tasks and assigning to the members according to their skill sets. I have developed milestones for our project, and I have created a Gantt chart for our project. What I have learned from the project is how to manage the project and its different aspects using resources wisely to meet deadline without compromising the quality of the product. Enhances it. The project really enhanced my ability to think analytically and my leadership capabilities, as well as it has enhanced both communication, like individual communication and group communication, and it has definitely helped me to how I can bring all team members together and work as a single unit so as to execute project, so as to meet the project goal. Not only that, this project was like a real project, so it has somehow given us a bit knowledge of how to use our skills. Like I have been working I have used PHP MVC framework to develop the system. So there are different aspects of coding that I was not familiar. Like I have developed attendance module from where I have learned many things, like how to validate attendance, like a user, how to take attendance for one day. Like there are different aspects of validation of attendance, like user validation, login validation, and I have created I have used SHA-1 encryption to encrypt the password. So from security point of view also, I have worked to make our system secure, and definitely like SHA-1, it is the strongest encryption technology that I have been using. And like I'm trying to mitigate the flaws in our system from different analytic point of view, and as it has given me a great opportunity to learn different aspects of a project that I will apply in my coming career in the IT market. Now at the end, due to COVID-19, we were confined to online platform for communication with team member and client, and we never met face to face with each other during this project. So it was a difficult time for us to carry the project, but we have used different online platform, like platform wisely, like Viber, WhatsApp, so that our communication is continuous, and each and every details are clear to the team member as well as client. We can abstract as much as details from client. So at last, my suggestion would be, if the university could convert this course into internship, I think it would be better, so that student can get real local experience, which definitely now current situation of Sydney market demands, or Australian market demands, that to take a candidate to enter in the software field, you must have some local experience within Australia. So I would suggest, if university, our Federation University, could convert this our master project course into internships, so that the student can get real local experience while jumping into the software industry. Then that will become definitely fruitful for students, and I guess that will help student to crack the job interview and so on. Thank you.